Remove unit from box and insert bayonet into chair mount. Use the 3/8 inch set screw on the top of the chair mount to level the post from the front to rear. Attach levels on vertical posts 90 degrees apart so they will measure front to rear, leveling and side to side leveling. Use the 2 set screws to level the posts side to side. When the posts are level, tighten the bolt on the bottom of the bayonet to secure the unit to the chair mount. Loosen the screws to remove the tubing cover from the underside of the chair mount and set aside. Warning! Before making any connections, be sure all power has been disconnected. Making connections while chair or unit is connected to power source may result in equipment damage or injury. Install supplied cable braided sleeve over existing cables and tubings. Make the connections as described, but notice that there will be 2 extra 1/8 inch blue tubes that form a loop at the connection point. There will be an extra 1/8 transparent green on the unit side that will not be used at this time. Install the water bottle with the quick disconnect adapter by first aligning the adapter slot and manifold pin. Then push the bottle up and twist clockwise. Check that bottle is tight. Note, bottle with cap is a spare bottle. Connect electrical lines and plumbing lines coming from junction box under the chair mount. Connect a ground wire to bayonet. Replace tubing cover and tighten the 4 screws that were loosened earlier. Prior to junction box installation, it will be necessary to flush out the office plumbing. Connect a hose to the water line and flush into a drain or pail. This will prevent debris getting into unit lines. Flush the air line also. Place the junction box base over the office plumbing with the umbilical entering the enclosure on the properly configured side. Next, install the master shutoff valves. Using a 5/8 inch wrench, install the air and water shutoff blocks onto the master valves. Tighten the compression nuts securely. If it's necessary to shorten the umbilical, shorten carefully the outer sheathing, gravity drain, and vacuum tubing as required. Properly connect all electrical lines and plumbing lines at junction box at foot of the chair. Match tubing by colors and numbers and cables as labeled. Once connections are made, install cover onto junction box.